Hi, fourth grade. It's Miss Wilson again, coming to you with another video. Today, we're going to learn the different forms of writing numbers. In fourth grade, we use 4 different forms, but later in fifth grade, you will learn another form. All right, so the first form we're going to do is standard form. Standard form is when we're using all digits. It is the normal way that numbers are written. So we're going to do the number 671,328. I hope you did not hear me say the word and, because anytime you use the word and, we're talking about a decimal point. So we're going to read this as the first unit of numbers, which is 671, and then the units, which is thousands. So 671,328. Now the second form of numbers is written, is when we're using all words. Written form or word form, which is the same thing, is the number written in all words. So we're going to write this the exact same way we will read it. So I will read this as 671,328. Again, I hope that you notice that I do not have the word and. Because again, if I'm using the word and, that means I have a decimal point in my number. And we will have decimal points later on in fourth grade, but right now we do not. So we do not use the word and. All right, so my next form will be the expanded form. Expanded form is where I'm telling the value of each number, each digit in my number. So I'm going to tell you how much this 6 is worth, how much this 7 is worth, how much this 1 is worth, based on how it is in my place value. So we're going to start with the 6. So I've identified my digit. Now I need to identify the value. So I'm going to see what place it's in. So I'm going to start here at my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So my 6 is in the 100,000s place, which makes that 6 worth 600,000. And then I'm going to put plus, because this is an equation of what each digit is worth, which is all going to equal up to my standard form number. So I'm going to go to my 7 next, my 7, and I need to figure out what place value is it in. So again, I'm going to start in my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So my 7 is in my 10,000s place, which makes that 7 worth 70,000. Now, if I'm still shaking about my place value, I can remember that everything behind the digit that I'm working with becomes 0. So that's 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, which would be my 70,000. Then I'm going to put plus again. Now I'm going to go to my next digit, which is 1. And I need to figure out what place value is that 1 in. Again, I'm going to start in my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. My 1 is in the thousands place, so that makes it worth 1,000. Plus, then I go to my next digit, which is 3, and figure out what place value that 3 is in. ones, tens, hundreds. So my 3 is in the hundreds place value, and 300s are worth 300. The value is 300. Then, of course, I put my plus sign. Then I go to my next digit, which is 2. See what place value is in. Ones, tens. That 2 in the tens place is worth 20. Then my next number is 8 in the ones place, and 8 ones is worth 8. All right, our last form that we're going to learn now will be uniform. Uniform is where I'm going to tell you the digit and the location that is in my place value. Again, I'm going to give the digit and the location. So I'm going to start with my 6, and it's located in the 100,000th place because this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So I'm using both the digit and the word. 100,000. And I'm telling you that I have 600,000. Then I'm going to my next digit, which is 7, and then the place that it's located. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So I have 7 10,000. Then I go to my next digit, which is 1. And that 1 is in what place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. I have 1,000. And my next digit is 3. And that's located in what place value? I have ones, tens, hundreds. It's located in the hundreds. So I'm telling you, in my hundreds place, I have 3. Then my next digit is 2, and that's located in the tens place. And then my 8 is located in the ones place. So again, we have 4 forms of numbers: standard form, written form, expanded form, which tells the value, and then unit form that tells you the digit and the location.